Aquarius, the time has come. Let's see what's going on with Aquarius here. I'll give you information about the dreams I had here. Not sure how you're doing right now. In general, with the collective, though, a lot of things have been going the same, right? So, if you have been dealing with somebody, they might come through trying to play the same games. They like confirmation again that they were doing the worst behind your back and lying to your face, and that God has been putting you through training, right? The universe has been training you. That's just something related to some dreams. I had some messages from last night. This is in general for collective. So, if you're not going through anything with somebody, then pay it no mind, please. Now, this will be for Aquarius, though. Also, I was laying down today. I was almost waking up. I was falling back to sleep, and I saw in my mind the time go from 6:05, and then it clicked to 6:06 in my fucking mind. And it's 6:06, and I woke up, and I picked up my cell phone, fucking 6:06, man. I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? So 6:06, that the divine realm wants you to pay extra attention to your home life, personal relationships, and your spiritual life too. We can all get caught up in the pursuit of success and focusing on the material aspects of your life. While this is important, it isn't everything. It's a combination of energy. 6 and 0 symbolizes harmony, balance, and unconditional love. It was a lot about forgiveness too here, and where I woke up with this feeling, because these dreams were about people that have been fucking with you, and you gotta forgive them too. You know, it's like you can't get stuck on that. Does not mean that you have to keep them in your life, right? But if you want to act like that, what would he do? He would forgive as well, right? Not that they're not gonna get their karma, but you know what it is. Hey man, I gone through karma in my life for things that I am conscious that I did. I'm fucking conscious I did some bad shit before, and I got mine. Shit, took years, years, man. So, I'm not responsible for anybody else. Let's see what's up with Aquarius. They don't want to tell you, Aquarius. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, have empathy here. But also, this will mean that this will be an overflow of wealth as well, enough to share, right? But it's giving me empathy too. And the 4 of Wands coming out here. You're a very stable individual, huh? Celebration, joy, harmony, family. That's what 606 kind of was talking about here, and that's balance right there. You gotta enjoy these days if you can, right? Get in the world. So, end of a cycle here. I mean, I know that it's gonna be New Year's, but hey, That's what they're saying. This is for high vibrational Aquarius, right? High vibing Aquarius collective. I didn't even see that drop. Shit, yeah, you've been working hard. You've been doing yours. You've done the work. Probably working hard at your job too, or learning something. Manifestation also. What are you, air? Shit, you got earth and fire here. What's going on? King of Pentacles. Wealth, right under the Six of Pentacles. Leader, discipline, abundance. This came up upside down. Hey man, I'll take this as advice. You'll get keep your temperance. I don't know if I dropped it wrong, but well, this is for these days here. I ain't gonna say a thing about. I mean, I can't judge. I like a drink or two. You know. But just watch out. I mean, I actually, after I started going through this and meditating and then clearing things and first of all, self-love, right? I mean, I didn't even know. I thought I loved myself before. I wasn't aware how little I cared for myself. Man, all my addictions started just slipping off. It's just like, not that they slipped off. I had relapses and all that. Yo, I had a relapse this year. And it was like a week. It was like a whole week. And I got this message. And I mean, you know, when fucking even your phone screen starts changing or whatever the fuck, you start getting, and God told me, when I was going through it, he said, when you're done playing with the status quo, I'll be here waiting for you. And I was like, fuck. And then, check it out. And so once, you're gonna get a new beginning here. Very, very good. And then when I was after all that shit and I was feeling like shit, he told me, you're harder on yourself than you are on other people. And that he doesn't want us to be like that. You know? And that he's not expecting perfection. New opportunities, new growth. It's looking good. It's looking good. What's going on here? Yeah, if your screen never changes and all that, you ain't crazy, man. I remember one night I was listening to some shit and the song started changing on my fucking on my on my phone, and they will go to the lyrics and they will skip to a certain fucking point, and then it did it like 3 times. And I was like, what the fuck? I got them written down somewhere, what songs, what part exactly was, because it was, yo man, that's just. And I'm like, fuck yeah, that shit happens. It's fucking fun, man. Queen of Wands here, not to be fucked with. courage, independence, success for life, joy, determination, and the three ones looking forward here. So yep, you got a lot to look forward to here. Future, you're doing everything right here. Doing everything right. I like this other Ace of Wands right below the world too. An ending of something, the beginning of something. Yeah. Who we talking about? Fucking star, yo. This is Aquarius right here. Check that out. You had to come up, huh? Had to show up. You had to show up. That's fucking cool. And the 7 and a 1 and a 17 will be 6. And you got 606 here. What was 6? 6 anyways. Anyways, yeah. Yeah. Hope, calm, faith, purpose, renewal, spirituality. Oh, well, let's talk about it. Reduces to an 8. It's about power and success. Take a look at that. Got kings and queens up in this motherfucker, too. Shit. Right under your new beginning. And you don't need nobody. Wishes coming through. Satisfaction. Luxury. Luxury. Shit, I bet you. And I bet all you want is to be stable and shit. No. They're gonna give you more than you want, bro. Because you are manifesting. Dang. Why the fuck is this in the reverse? Justice in the reverse? Might not be your justice. It might be someone else's karma here. What's up with that justice on the reverse? What's going on with that justice on the reverse, y'all? I just had a reading about for the whole collective here about sneaky motherfuckers. You're gonna be surprised at the 7 of Wands. Oh, Queen of Cups in the reverse. I know it's just for self-care and all, but this seems to me as somebody that wouldn't fucking share their cup. You got the 9 of Cups here. They got that 1 cup there. They wouldn't give you for the 10, but 9 is more than enough. Ooh, right under the star. Wheel of fucking fortune. You're getting a good reading here. So wherever the fuck that was, getting their justice on the reverse, yo. I'm telling you. Right after the Wheel of Fortune comes out, that's their bad karma. Yeah, I told you this motherfucker's gonna come out here. Man, go back and watch that other fucking reading I did for the collective reading for December 24th. And these are sneaky motherfuckers. They're gonna try to come back. They have not changed. Rethinking approach, deceptions, keeping secrets. I'm telling you, that's the fucking truth, yo. We're gonna take a look at this another way here. Alright, just give me a moment. Get this shit shuffled here. You can fast forward if you want. Sneaky motherfucker. You can see through these motherfuckers too. But man, I've had sneaky motherfuckers in my face, and I've been like, are they really gonna fucking do this shit? And they do, and you know what they're doing, and it's like, you let them go through with it. And taking shit from your house or whatever, fucking be like, really? But that's like what I tell my kids, right? Like, and my kid, she was smaller, right? But she went to sell some stickers or some shit at school, and she was telling me, oh, so and so didn't pay me back. I was like, you know what? Easy, that's the price you needed to pay to find out who the fuck you were dealing with. That's cheap way to find out how much someone's worth. Let's see what's up with Aquarius here. Alright, so you're coming off a place here with 3 of swords, right? Not a good place to start here, right? That is emotional pain and heartbreak and all that. But this, you're a person that will meditate and contemplate things. You will think about it, but watch out here. You might miss some things if you just focus on one thing. Right, but that's just from before. You're coming from a place of wealth. See, I mean, this is a King of Pentacles. I mean, this is leadership, security, discipline, abundance. And this guy don't look smug at all, even though he got it all, you know. Laid back. So I'm getting a sense of a good person here, you know. You are looking ahead, and we're getting the 10 of Wands here. I don't be afraid of that card either, though, because it is a 10, and this is a completion of all this bullshit, and that's what's coming to you. You have to be the magician here. You have to be the magician. You are manifesting. You are looking to the future, and this will end. This will end for you. And it gets stability here. You're in a stable energy. The environment is conflicted. Now, don't get too focused on secrets or all, but this could be your intuition as well. You're gonna need it. Need your intuition. Keep manifesting. It'll be a 2 of Cups. Either this is you with somebody, or it could be just balance with yourself, you know. So it looks like it's working out for you. Yeah, just be stable, man. Be stable and balanced. Be stable and balanced. It's working out. It's coming to an end here. There is a lot of conflict and shit. But that's not you. That's not on you, man. That's not on you. Alright. We'll go ahead and ask you to do a meditation and bring light into this world, please. And know that I send you all my love, and I hope you have a good Christmas, good holidays, and take it easy.